over Amethi and Raebareli continues as the Congress CEC meeting that was held last night concluded, it seems, without any clear decision on the two seats which have been the Gandhi family's bastions in the past. However, Times Now learns that the CEC members have urged in the meeting that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra should contest from Amethi and Raebareli respectively. Sources say that the Uttar Pradesh Congress leaders have pressed the party's leadership for a decision at the earliest and have left the decision on the Congress president. The party is expected to announce its decision in the next couple of days.
Raebareli and Amethi.
Sir, when can we expect, sir? When can we expect?
Within 1 or 2 days.
Tomorrow we can.
1 or 2 days, everything will be clear.
So that was KC Venugopal. Now, there has been strong buzz that the Gandhi family siblings will contest from the family strongholds. Remember, Rahul is also contesting from Kerala's Wayanad, from where he is the sitting MP and where polling has already been held in phase 2. He is likely to fight from Amethi as well, the constituency he lost to BJP Smriti Irani in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Priyanka Vadra, on the other hand, is likely, if she makes her debut, to be fielded from her mother's seat, Raebareli, as Sonia Gandhi has now moved to the Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan and is not contesting polls from Raebareli anymore after winning 5 consecutive terms from the constituency. Local cadres have consistently been demanding that a Gandhi family member should contest from polls from both seats. Let's also listen into what some of the UP Congress leaders had to say just ahead of yesterday's CEC meeting in Delhi.
निश्चित रूप से अमेठी को है इंतज़ार, देख रहा है गांधी परिवार। यहाँ पर जन जन में, युवाओं में, नौजवानों में और पूरी अमेठी की आम जनता में, जनमानस में जो गांधी परिवार को अपना परिवार समझता है, बहुत ही उत्साह भरी नज़रों से देख रहा है। बहुत काफ़ी अरसों से, कई महीनों से प्रतीक्षारत हैं सारे लोग और वो क्षण लगभग करीब आया है। तो हम सब लोग उत्साहित हैं कि निश्चित रूप से जब घोषणा होगी।
देखिए, कार्यकर्ताओं में तो काफ़ी उत्साह है, लेकिन यहाँ के अमेठी के आम जनमानस के गौरव और सम्मान की बात है। उनसे 2019 में एक भूल हुई थी और गलती हुई, बहुत कुछ खोया, जिससे अमेठी बहुत पीछे चला गया। यहाँ की जनता में हर घर में खुशी की लहर है। लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि भैया कब आएंगे। हम लोग गाँव में निकलते हैं तो होते भैया आई हैं कि नहीं है राहुल गांधी। तो लोगों में इस बात का है कि हमारा गौरव फिर से वापस आएगा, जो खोया हुआ सम्मान था वापस मिल जाएगा।
Now, amid speculation of Rahul Gandhi returning to Amethi, the BJP has stepped up its attack, predicting his crushing imminent defeat at the hands of Smriti Irani. Taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi, Union Minister Piyush Goyal said he should contest on 4 to 5 seats as his chances of winning from any one seat look very, very bleak.
मैं खुले दिल से स्वागत करूंगा। राहुल गांधी जी मेरे क्षेत्र में आए, उत्तर मुंबई में, और लड़े। वो चाहे तो उत्तर मुंबई भी आए, अमेठी भी आए, बनारस में लड़े ना। हिम्मत है तो बनारस में लड़के दिखाए। जिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में लड़ना चाहे उनका स्वागत है, खुले दिल से और खुलेआम स्वागत है। और मुझे लगता है उन्हें 4-5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से लड़ना चाहिए। कोई शायद तुक्के में एक आध आ जाए कि वायनाड से तो हार रहे हैं और मेरी बहन स्मृति ईरानी जी उनको अमेठी से इतनी बुरी हार दिलाएंगी इस बार कि फिर वो पार्लियामेंट में तो आने का सवाल नहीं है, पर वो जनता के बीच में जाने लायक।
देर हो गया ना, 5 साल कहाँ थे। जनता चुनाव लड़ती है, नेता चुनाव थोड़ी लड़ता है। तो जनता के बीच में है नहीं, और थे दक्षिणी भारत, अब आ गए हैं उत्तरी भारत में। तो जनता ने पहले हटा दिया कि नहीं, अब जाओ दक्षिणी भारत रहो, यहाँ नहीं रहना है। पिछले इलेक्शन में उनके आने से कुछ नहीं। अब जो अपने नेता के लड़ने का, कहाँ लड़ेगा, कब लड़ेगा, उसी का फैसला नहीं ले सकती हो। तो जनता के फैसले, यहाँ जनता जनार्दन है, जनता जज है, जनता फैसला लेती। जनता फैसला ले चुके कि मोदी को जिताना है।
So, Adib joins us now. Adib, it's supposed to be declared at some point in the next 2 days, but it remains status quo for now. Now, I heard a number of theories yesterday. Someone has proposed within the Congress leadership that Priyanka fight from Amethi and Rahul move to Raebareli. There is also that doing the rounds. So, what is the firm proposal, and when can we expect some kind of response?
Well, you know, the suspense over these two seats still continues. However, the Congress has officially not declared any candidate, but the Uttar Pradesh Congress has sent proposals for both the leaders, for both the Gandhi siblings to fight from these particular seats. Some sources are also suggesting that Priyanka Gandhi's name has been suggested for the seat of Amethi, while Rahul's name has been suggested for the seat of Raebareli. But the things will get clear only after the Congress will officially declare the candidates on these two seats. However, the locals in Amethi wants Rahul Gandhi. When Times Now spoke to several Congress workers in Amethi, they were saying that only Rahul Gandhi can defeat Smriti Irani this time. There was some problem in 2019 due to which he lost the seat. But we are very confident that Rahul Gandhi, if he will return, he will win this time, and we will ensure his victory. This is what the Congress workers of Amethi has to say. While Times Now also speak to some of the locals in Amethi, they also have to say that they are waiting for the return of Rahul Gandhi. However, the locals were very frustrated with the Congress also. They were saying that Congress, who ruled for many years in Amethi, didn't pay any quite attention to it, which they would have given more time to Amethi. Rahul Gandhi did not return to Amethi after he lost the seat in 2019. So the locals were also frustrated with him. On the other hand, they were also demanding that Rahul Gandhi should only contest from this particular seat. Now the things will only get clear after the Congress declares its official candidate from these two very seats.
Now, if you speak to Congress people on the ground, they will tell you that they want a family member to contest. But a family member who also wanted to contest was Robert Vadra. Is that now out of the window, or is that still a possibility? Could Vadra also be in contention for Amethi? And if not, why was it even mentioned in the first place?
Well, this is the intention of Robert Vadra. We also saw from how time to time he was saying that if given a chance, he wants to fight from Amethi, and this is the voice of the people of Amethi. Vadra had been claiming that the people of Amethi wants him to contest from this very particular seat. But when we spoke to Congress workers in Amethi, they were saying that they respect Robert Vadra as a family member, but not as a leader. They only want Rahul Gandhi. Speaking of the candidates, it is still unclear that whether Robert Vadra will be given a ticket. The sources in the Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee suggest that only the names of Priyanka and Rahul were given to AICC for Amethi and Raebareli seats. There were no mention of Robert Vadra in that proposal.
Absolutely. So, I mean, it appears as though for the moment it has cooled the speculation in terms of Robert Vadra, but whether or not Rahul and Priyanka will be fielded from Amethi and Raebareli respectively or otherwise, that is something that remains to be seen. We'll find out, I'm guessing, in today or tomorrow. Adib, I thank you for sharing these details and for clearing this picture for us, even though it remains very, very blurry still.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।